Assalamualaikum. In this video, we learn how to download complete backup of our cPanel. So let's go to our cPanel. So type here backup. You can click on this backup. So from here, I want to get full backup. So I'll get download a full backup account backup. So click here. So after that, what you have to do, you have to select any of the options. So I'll go with the home directory and click on generate backup. So it will start the backup like this, and it will send you the update on the email once it's done. So I have created backup a few minutes before, so I'll download this one. After that, just click on that and it will start downloading. So my backup is up to 5.6 GB and it will take 20 hours according to my internet speed. So good luck guys. If you have any curiosity, feel free to comment below and subscribe the channel, like the video. So by this step, you can download the backup of cPanel